Good morning. We have circuit like this. Following circuit, we are asked to calculate R. That will give us a phase lag of 90 degrees. Phase lag of 90 degrees between the source voltage and the current I1. Okay, so we have to write this current in function of this, and then try to calculate the resistance R. That gives us a phase lag of 90 degrees. So we can calculate I first, and with I we can calculate I1, and then we can calculate R at the end of this. So with the current divider we can calculate I1, which is equal to R over Z1 plus R times I, main current. These are complex phasors. I is equal to V over the equivalent impedance, and the equivalent impedance is equal to Z2 plus R times Z1 over R plus Z1. So we can say that if we can replace I by V over ZE, and ZE is equal to Z2 plus R Z1 over R plus Z1, we can say we can put this one to a common denominator, so it means that we can say that R over Z1 plus R times V over Z2 times R plus Z1 plus R times Z1 over R plus Z1. This can simplify. We are left with I1 that is equal to, let's say, R over Z2 times R plus Z1 plus R Z1 times V. Suppose that V is equal to V and the initial angle is 0, so we can put this in this form. If this is a real, this will be a complex times V. So it means that R times A minus B over A squared plus B squared times V. So what we should have to have a phase lag of 90 degrees, we have it here. The only thing is A should be equals to 0. A should be equal to 0 to calculate the R. So let's now replace and find the A. Okay, so we take the denominator only, that's what we are needed. We have 20 plus J 110 times R plus 10 plus J 70 plus R times 10 plus J 70. So we can write now real part and the imaginary part. The real part, we have 20R. Have to change this. 20R. This is 20R, and we can write plus 10. Okay, and another real number is this one, minus 110 times 70. Okay, we are taking only the real part, plus r times 10, because we are interested only in a. So we have the real part, this a. It should be equal to 0. Okay, 20r plus 200 minus 110 times 70 plus 10r should be equal to 0. So 30r should be equal to 110 times 70 minus 200. So it means that r is equal to this over 30. So the value of r that is needed here is 110 times 70 minus 200 over 30, and that will give us a value of 250 ohms. And that's it. And thank you very much.